Hello everyone, welcome to the channel English classes. Today I am taking certain phrasal verbs with the word get. So the first one goes get through. Get through means we get through an exam, or to get through an exam means we clear that exam, or we pass that exam, right? So this was his first attempt, and I'm so happy to tell you that he got through his professional exam this time only. It's a great performance, something commendable. That is what is get through, right? The next phrase that we have is get into. Like we are getting late for the meeting, please. So please get into the car. Get into the car quickly. So move yourself into the car. That is what is move oneself. That is get into. Then another meaning of this phrase is to become involved. Like I got into teaching at a very small age. It means I got involved. I became involved into this profession, with this profession, right? The next phrase that we have is get ahead. Get ahead means to achieve success. Like I say, it's both my hard work and my smart work that has helped me get ahead in life. So get ahead means to achieve success, right? The next is get after. Get after means reprimand. Reprimand or rebuke or censure. That means किसी को बुरी तरीके से आप उसके पीछे पड़ गए, डांट रहे हैं उसको उसके पुअर परफॉर्मेंस पे, है ना? That is what is reprimand or get after. Like the child got poor performance in maths, and just after coming home, his father got after him. So he started reprimanding him, he started criticizing him, he started shouting at him for his poor performance, right? The next is get at. I know what you are getting at. It means I know what you are trying to prove or make clear. I understand everything. I'm getting it. I'm getting it, I'm understanding it, but I'm sorry, I will not favor you. So when I say I know what you are getting at, it means I know what you are trying to prove or what you are trying to make clear. Okay, that is the meaning, to try to prove something or to try to make things clear, right? The next is get over. I'm trying my best to get over this illness of mine. It means I'm trying to recover from this illness. I'm taking good steps whereby I recover quickly. That is what is get over. So get over means to recover from, right? Like if I give you another example, like keep yourself busy with something always so that you get over the emotional trauma you are facing these days, because keeping yourself busy will help you distract your mind away from your emotional problems. That is what is get over. You will recover from that trauma of yours, right? The next is get real. Now it is high time to get real. Please get real. It means face the reality. So it's time to get real and understand that till now you were just wasting your time with your friends. So now leave them and just concentrate on yourself. That is what is get real. So get real means face the reality, right? The next is get somewhere. Get somewhere means to be successful. Like his hard work has paid off and he is finally getting somewhere. It means he is finally becoming successful, and it's very nice to see him successful in his life. He took a long time, but still, success is success, you know. That's what is get somewhere. The next is get wind of. That means to become aware of. Like his parents never got wind of he's developing bad habits. It means they never became aware of that he was into bad habits. Day by day he was having a new, every day he was having a new bad habit or whatever, right? The next very simple one again, the last one we are having in this video is get together. So everybody knows it. So get together means to have a meeting or to come together or assemble. So let's have a get together this weekend. We all friends, let's have a get together. Or this Sunday they are getting together at their old meeting point. So get together means to assemble or to come together or meet, right? So there are many other phrases with this word get. So I chose these ones in this video. So next video I'll be coming up with something new. So I hope you like the video. If you like, please like it, share the video with others, and subscribe the channel English Classes. Goodbye for now.